Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS with our 2017 Porsche Panamera Turbo. And today, you can see we've got a winter wonderland out here. Look at this. It is not the nicest weather, but I'm gonna give you guys another POV driving video on board. This Porsche Panamera did one a week or so ago in a Lamborghini. And now, we're gonna do it in this Porsche. So, I've got my, I think we're good to go. On board. I've got my POV hat perfected compared to last week. It's a little bit smoother now. And we're gonna take this Porsche for a drive, tell you guys a little bit about it. And of course, you guys will get to enjoy this winter wonderland. We've had, in the last 3 or 4 days, I think about 30 centimeters of snow, which is just ridiculous. I don't know if you're watching from somewhere that it snows or not, but this is what it's like here in Canada. And what's crazier is, like a week or so ago, it was, I want to say, we set a record at plus 20 degrees one morning. So from plus 20 to not that cold. It's only says minus 3 right now, but still 30 centimeters of snow. This is not fun. So a big part of it here in Canada is winter tires and snow plows, like you can see down there. But just telling you guys a little bit about the Porsche that we're on board. This is the 2017 Panamera Turbo. So this is the first year of this facelifted model, and revised exterior, revised interior. You've got nice infotainment down here, very clean, very easy to use. You've got all your different drive modes. You've got your normal, sport, sport plus, and individual, and that's also controlled with this little button here. So personally, I like to drive in sport. It opens up the exhaust valves, lowers the suspension, gives you a little bit more throttle response, and holds the gears a little bit longer. Sport Plus, it's like a little bit too aggressive for me. It holds the gears 1 gear lower, doesn't like shifting at all. So Sport is where I like to drive. And of course, with this little button here, you've got a little overboost mode, which will give you, I think it's like a 10-second period of maximum boost. So if you're exiting on the highway and you want to feel all 550 horsepower from this twin turbo 4-liter V8, you can do so. So yeah, this thing, twin turbo 4-liter V8 engine, 550 horse, and I think close to 570 torque. Let's just throw it in Sport Plus, and yeah, so you've got a sport response mode for 20 seconds. Look at that. So for a big, full-size sedan, this thing's got lots of power. Like, no shortage of get up and go. This thing, I would say, is definitely faster than a Gallardo, like we did in our last video, that's for sure. But back in sport. Of course, you can do manual shifting with this as well. And what else? Everything about the infotainment's very responsive, very easy to use. It's got a great audio system. This one's got the carbon fiber interior trim, heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, super nice. You can go through a ton of different settings here. G-force, see where your power is being distributed, tire pressures, all your vehicle temps, some driving stats. Of course, you can put the navigation there as well if you don't want it. Oh, interesting. If you don't want it there as well. Sport chrono up there, so it's basically a clock that does double down as an actual lap timer if you want it to time laps or time pretty well whatever. And what else can I tell you about this? I've been driving this thing for, I want to say, about a month now through most of this bad weather, and we've got a really good set of Soto Zero winter tires on it, and it absolutely tears up the snow. Drives incredibly. Very smooth. Thing is, like, if you want this to be a sports car, it's kind of a sports car, and if you want it to just be like a luxury cruiser, put it in normal mode. It's very quiet, it's very comfortable. You can definitely bring a family anywhere. There's lots of cargo room in the back. I'm just like I said, taking you guys on a little errand right now, and then maybe I'll give you guys a little walk around or walk through the back seats and whatnot once we're parked here. Now, in the meantime, I am curious what you guys think of these POV videos. If there's something you'd like and you want me to see more of them, let me know in the comments down below. And if you do want to see more of them, what do you want to see them on? Do you want to see them on everything? Do you want to see them on Porsche, exotics? I think the exotics are probably more exciting for people to watch, but at the same time, sometimes people just want to see everyday cars, see what something's like living with, you know, a Honda or a Toyota or whatever it may be. So yeah, there's a little POV of the back seats, passenger seat, this nice carbon dash that goes all the way around, leather, contrast stitch, got the Alcantara headliner, got big dual sunroofs, super nice. I wonder if those things have heat in them. They must. There's no way you could be doing that when it's like minus 30. No way. Couldn't pay me. You guys already know I'm definitely running an errand at my beloved Starbucks. So you guys are getting to come along for the ride, which I'm appreciative of you guys joining me right now. Hopefully this gives you an actual feel of what it's like on board the Porsche Panamera Turbo. Well, I'm gonna park and take you guys through the back seats, show you those quickly. So this is, ooh, I almost feel guilty getting in the back, so clean. This is a POV in the back seat. Got heated seats, nice little cup holders, finished in carbon fiber as well. Interesting, I got my own sunroof control back here. Carbon continued through, got your Bose speakers. I actually got lots of room back here. Super nice, you got a little armrest. This is a nice car. This is interesting, this is the first time I've sat in the back seat of it. And you know what? I could see myself taking a road trip in this thing. No hesitation, sitting in the back. And we'll just pop open the rear power tailgate. There you go. You can see all kinds of room. Power close. And back on board the driver's seat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know your comments down below if you like these POV drive videos and if you'd like to see more of them. And please subscribe to the channel. We are over 20,000 subscribers now, but we want to get that up to over 100,000 right away. Start, stop. That's another reason I like it in sport. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up, subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next one.